listen to what we'll be doing. There we go. All right. So, yeah, this is kind of fun to get to do Alan's version. And I didn't know he wrote all of these Disney songs that we know and love. I mean, I thought a lot of different people wrote them. He wrote a bunch of them, of some really great Disney tunes from our well-known favorite Disney movies. So, yeah, listen to it on YouTube, and you can see what we'll be doing here. And I do teach a different way than most people. I don't use traditional sheet music. That's tends to be a roadblock for a lot of people. For some people, it's not great for them. But if you have trouble reading music and you think I can play, but I just can't read the notes, try this. It might work for you. That seems to be what I hear over and over when people come to my lessons, and it works for them. So I use letters on the whiteboard, and we don't dumb anything down. I teach you everything you would normally learn, plus probably more using this method. But we learn how to play like our favorite artists and, try to sound like the albums and all of that. So we're trying to sound like Alan Menken right here on this one. So let's get started. We have this cool little thing to start with, okay? So this is not a beginner lesson. So if you're a beginner, you need beginner songs. I have plenty of them on the website. Try a beginner one, try a lot of those, and then you can work up to this. If you're ready for this, we can do it now. If you remember the website, you can download these sheets. So A, E, E, A is what we have. A octave and the E in the middle. Dot, 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 dot. So a 2-finger on the E or a 3-finger, either one. I kind of go back and forth. Hold the pedal down. Use your wrist. Let your wrist have this motion when you do it. Back and forth. Okay? And then, you can see the right hand just continues that. So I'd play that for a while. Maybe accent the first note of each measure. Da 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 da. Just get used to the motion, okay? Going back and forth with that wrist. Then when the left hand comes in, da 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 da. All right, you just gotta know what that is when you hear that. It just, makes you feel warm inside hearing that. A E. So 5-2. I'll do that. And then D and F sharp. And then G sharp B E. Da 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 da. A and C sharp again. And it's up in the middle of the piano, okay? So you put that together going really slow. Second measure, 1 and 2. Okay, so really bring the left hand out. This is going to be heard no matter what. You got to bring this out. Play it too soft. We don't even hear it. You got to bring it out. Okay, but play it slowly a lot. Okay? Work on that. Work it, work it, work it. All right, and then we have this really neat bomb. Right? I love that. Just epic sounding, right? So A octave, the 8 means play it really low. It's an octave notation. So way down, I'm going to play an octave. You can't even see the lowest note. Maybe barely. I don't know. All right. Then you gotta play it a while. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Da 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 da. And the singing actually starts there. Da 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 da. All right. So the left hand here is D F sharp. And don't worry, this isn't gonna continue forever. As you can see, it goes to that. So it doesn't do this forever. In the top, D F sharp. G sharp, B, E, just like before. A, C sharp. Okay, so we have 1. Okay, next measure. Da, da. Same thing, okay? So you play that and you play that again. So it's the same thing in a row. And then you have this. When I played it the first time, I missed my A there. A, G sharp. All right, so right here, left hand has D, F sharp, E, and then F sharp, E. So, okay, and then a D. The right hand changes there. You see that? A, C sharp, A, F sharp. But I go ahead and get my fingers over those keys so I'm ready. See, I'm ready to go. I don't have to go find them. I'm there already. I feel them underneath my fingers, just like I felt the A, E. Okay? Use that wrist to rotate. And then you keep with the same chord, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Now the end of this goes F sharp, C sharp, A, F sharp, da 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 da. So da 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 da, starting here. So A and E together. Then we go to G sharp, left hand goes E, B, E. Okay? Then that hard stuff is over. That's probably the hardest part, having to play the right hand like that and do the left hand underneath. Then it gets easier. All right, so if you can do all this, you'll be able to play the rest of it. If I start right here, no, let's start right here. Da 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 da. 1, 2, da ba ba ba. 1, 2, da 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 da. Na na. And then da 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 da, na 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 na. You love that chord? That's cool. Na na, it's cool. All right, so D, and I'm gonna do octaves now. My left hand, D, E, A, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. And again, I'm assuming that you guys can already play, so I'm moving along because this is not a beginner song. So I'm not teaching beginners on this. Find you some beginner songs on webpianoteacher.com if you need something that's beginner. All right, A, D, F sharp, G sharp, B, E, and then here I'll just do E, A, C sharp, and then octave the A there. So da 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 da. So here it's an A chord, but a C sharp is on the bottom. Okay, a lot of times when you have a chord that's in first inversion, that means you have A, C sharp, E, but you have C sharp in the bass instead of an A. A lot of times the right hand will play an octave in a fifth in the middle. So that's what we do here. We have the third of the chord in the middle. See, A, C sharp, E is the chord. The third is in the bass, so you'll have that octave and fifth in the middle. A lot of times. It is voiced better when it's played that way. So a lot of times you'll see that. Okay? So da 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 da. Da, da, da. So D chord again, E chord with G sharp, B, E, left hand on an E. Now here we have F sharp, B, C sharp. That's a suspension. The B is suspended, and then we go to an A. So B, A, left hand, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. 1, 2. Okay. Now let's try it all the way. I'll play it really slow one time, and then I'll play it faster. Very beginning. See if I can stay slow. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a long time. 1, 2. Da 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 da. Na na na. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Na na na. Okay, now we'll go faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, da da da. Na na na. Go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's our free part 1 for YouTube and other places. And if you like it, this is the tip of the iceberg here. We'll learn the whole thing, Alan's whole arrangement on webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.